Hey guys, here's a quick one. My wife's 1995 Geo Tracker recently started getting hard to start. You turn the key and the starter would take a moment to engage instead of responding immediately. We suspected it was a bad starter, so of course I went and got one, changed it. The problem didn't go away. I did some investigating and I found that underneath the dash you've got this little door. You flip the door under the steering wheel out and you'll find tucked inside a relay. This is your starter relay. I changed that starter relay out with a new one. That's actually the old one right there. And now the vehicle starts easily and every single time.